Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. With Diwali just around the corner, we all know it's a time for lights, sweets, and celebrations. But did you know there's more to Diwali than meets the eye? Stick around as we dive into some lesser-known facts about Diwali that will surprise you. Most people think Diwali is exclusively a Hindu festival, but it's also celebrated by Sikhs, Jains, and Buddhists. For Sikhs, Diwali marks the day Guru Hargobind Ji was released from imprisonment. For Jains, it's the day Lord Mahavira attained nirvana. Even Buddhists in Nepal celebrate Diwali, honoring it as a time for wealth and good fortune. Diwali is ancient. Records suggest that it's been celebrated for over 2,500 years. Over the centuries, this festival has evolved and taken on different meanings in different regions. But the core of Diwali, celebrating the victory of good over evil, remains the same. Diwali might be an Indian festival, but it's celebrated worldwide. In countries like Nepal, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Singapore, and even Trinidad and Tobago, Diwali is a public holiday. Indian communities in the UK, US, Canada, and Australia also hold grand celebrations. In West Bengal, Diwali is celebrated as Kali Puja, where devotees worship goddess Kali. In South India, it's called Deepavali and focuses on worshipping Krishna. Each region has its unique way of celebrating the festival. On Diwali night, entire cities and towns are lit up with all lamps, electric lights, and fireworks. It's often called the Festival of Lights because it truly transforms the night into a dazzling display. From outer space, even NASA has reported that Diwali makes India appear much brighter. And there you have it. 5 fascinating facts about Diwali that many of us didn't know. Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know how you are celebrating this Diwali. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos. Have a happy and safe Diwali.